We haven't run in, we don't know when. Go ahead, Chris, see if it runs. So this car had been abandoned for a long time. Chris is in it, in my shop in Orlando. It's a 93 and 94 Impreza L. We put a fuel pump in it, put a fuel filter in it, diagnosed some of the crazy wiring that was going on, and got it to start up. But now Chris is saying it won't come out of gear. So what we're gonna do is poke a stick
and try to
try it now. Okay, this, you have to push this in, and then
at the safety switch.
It will be. So it looks like the parking light or parking switch or something is not working. But this is for Jeff here. He dropped this car off. He wanted the AC out of it for his rally car. Says it hasn't run in years. And we know it hasn't. Right now it's got no water in it. We know it's got good oil in it. And I'm going to drive it into the back and continue work on this car. I think we're going to take it rally crossing. I mean, why wouldn't you? An old automatic 94 Impreza L, two-wheel drive. Why wouldn't you take it rally crossing? Brake lights are kind of working. Two of them are. And there it is. A 94 Impreza L. And it switches off.
It's alive!
Good luck, Mr. Impreza L. We'll see what becomes of you. Show you a couple of little secret projects in the back. Subaru 92X. My secret project under here. Give you a little glimpse. Any Subaru aficionado will recognize that bumper. And then my 94 Legacy manual all-wheel drive, which is a hard find in America, especially this clean, rust-free. Oh, it's gonna get rally crossed.